Welcome to Facebook Marketing. In this training, you are going to learn how to use Facebook as a powerful marketing tool to grow any business. And I'm going to walk you through these steps to set up a Facebook page step by step, create content, and build an audience of tens of thousands of potential customers. But before we get into that, I do want to take a minute to talk about why you should be using Facebook as a marketing channel and how it's really different to other social networks and marketing channels out there. So we're going to go through 5 reasons. The first reason is simply that there's 2 billion active monthly users on Facebook. And if we look at a chart of all the social network sites here, you can see that Facebook is way out in front with really over 2 billion users. So why is this important to you as a marketer or business owner? Well, Facebook is so big that really no matter what country you're in, no matter what age group you're targeting, your potential customers and audience are going to be on Facebook. It's just a fact with an audience that big, 2 billion people. So if you're not sure which marketing channel you should be focusing on, you can focus on Facebook because your audience are there without a doubt. It's just that big. Now, you couldn't really say the same about Instagram or something like that. It's got more of a narrower age range, although that is expanding out. Things like Twitter, again, is more specific type of user. Not everybody has Twitter. Not everybody has Snapchat. Not everybody has Pinterest. But everybody, or almost everybody, has a Facebook profile. So you can really target them there. So that's the first reason. Second reason is that the average Facebook user has 200 friends. Now, why is this important? It's important because that allows Facebook to have a very viral effect. Because if 2 friends like a Facebook post, then if they have a third friend that's interested in similar content, Facebook is going to show that to them. And that's what really creates this viral effect very, very quickly, is that Facebook is able to really show content to your friends group, and it just expands so quickly. Now, that is not the same for something like, say, YouTube. Like, I use YouTube personally all the time, but I have no idea what my friends look at on YouTube. I never see a video that they like, and so it doesn't create that same viral effect between friends. Now, the third reason that you should be using Facebook is that it has real profiles. And this may seem obvious, but this is actually the reason that Facebook was able to dominate social media. They weren't the first social media site, but they were the first social media site that got people to create real profiles, and it was because they really wanted to connect with their friends, so they obviously put in their real name. So why is that important for business? Well, let's say if we look down at a post here. If I click in and I can see the people who are really engaging with my content, and then I can click through to their profile, I can get a sense of who they are, what they're interested in, where they are, what other content that they like, and that allows me to build up a very clear buyer persona for my business. You couldn't say the same for YouTube or Reddit or even Twitter. People tend to create these pseudo profiles, not their real names, because there wasn't that incentive to really connect with your friends. So that is something extremely unique to Facebook. And not only does it make it good for, seeing who your competitors' audience are, get a really clear picture of them, you can do it for your own, but also it's very powerful in terms of if you're looking at your analytics and you want to see, some analytics on your audience. You can be very clear, you can be very certain that, their age, gender, their location is extremely accurate because people have put that in themselves. And also then for Facebook ads, you can much better target people based on who they are. And that is an extremely powerful reason to market your business on Facebook because they have real profiles. So number 4, in case you weren't aware, Facebook owns Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. And if we go back to the most famous social networks worldwide, as of this date, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the top 6, Facebook owns 3 of them. So Facebook, setting up there first, it makes it much easier for you to, say, connect with people on Facebook Messenger. That's all integrated. Also, it's much easier if you have people on Instagram, or you're setting up an account there to invite people from Facebook across. Facebook Ads is also integrated, so you can even target Facebook users on Instagram in ads. And WhatsApp, you can be sure that there's more integrations and opportunities opening up there. So again, if you're not really sure where to get started, Facebook really can just leverage and be used to grow audiences on all these other platforms as well. Now, the final reason that you really want to market your business on Facebook is because Facebook has a powerful ad platform. And even if you don't have the budget or are not considering advertising on Facebook right now, you should have this in the back of your mind as a reason to really just grow a business on Facebook. And this is because it's no longer possible to even create ads on Facebook without a published Facebook page. So that's why you'll need to set up a page if you want to advertise. But also, if you have an audience built up, well, then I can say to Facebook ads, hey, I've got an audience built up. This is what they're like. And go out and find me more people like that. And so with a bit of a sample, you can give that to Facebook and they can really find more people like that. Otherwise, it's going to be much harder for Facebook to really understand who are the type of people who engage with your content, what are their profiles like, where are they based. So by building up a Facebook page and building up an audience, then that will really improve your marketing efforts on Facebook probably by 10 times. So those are the 5 reasons why you should use Facebook as a marketing channel and how it's different to other marketing channels out there.